Hey, I'm Jeff Stiles, and as you can see, we're sitting inside the Evel Knievel van. I want to say that it was kind of like a double dog dare. Can you put an Evel Knievel van together in 8 months? Yes, I can. There's a lot of survivor vans out there. What did it start at before? It was my work van. I hauled parts in Harleys, golf carts, everything in this thing. So how this pretty much all came about was SEMA, Halloween. We'd show up as Evel and Elvis. Well, what do you need next? You need a van, you need a motorcycle. So why not build one? So the Evel van was a dream. Now, what do you do with that dream? You make it come true. How to get it to come true was build a team. I started with Chip Booth with the design. I know what kind of sketch he can do. I'm like, ring, ring, ring. Hey, Chip, can you do me a sketch of the Evel Knievel van? I put this on, come walking into a shop. I said, now it's time to make the Evel Knievel sketch. So having a Foos rendering put me on the forefront to hit up all of my sponsors, Vintage Pro, Ace of Shades, TMI Interiors, Diamondback Redline Tires, Chip Boost with my wheels, CSI Polish. There was so many people that said, hey, I want to help on the Evel Knievel van. Ace of Shades mixed up a special pearl. We sprayed it. The sun just lights it up. Not only did we do that, but we added a number 1 on the side. It's not just your average number 1. That number 1 lights up. It's a product called Lumalore. Everybody now knows this van is the Evel Knievel van, but they know it as that number 1 lights up. Now we had to think about the inside. I don't know how to design an interior, but TMI does. Ross had some plans for me. He said, I can give you enough material that you can build out the rest of the van however you want. He gave me the seats, we matched the interior. The headliner just kind of came along of, you know what? I want a collage of everything about Evel Knievel. So we had a mask made up, plopped it up on the headliner. It's all Evel Knievel and TMI on the inside. So the last show we had the Evel Knievel van at, one of the judges came up and said, why? I said, well, let me tell you why. Evel Knievel was somebody that I followed as a kid. He was my hero. I liked to jump bikes. I did what he did. Our era was Evel Knievel. We crashed our bikes, we broke our arms, we broke our legs, but we were trying to do everything that that guy did. He was an icon for us, so now the van's here, and I love spreading the word about what a hero that guy was to so many.